Lesson number 8, Science, Class 8th. First question is, indicate whether the following statements are true or false. Unicellular organisms have one called body. Muscle cells are branched. The basic living unit of an organism is an organ. Amoeba has irregular shape. In the first question, we can say unicellular organisms have one called body is true. Muscle cells are branched. It is false. The basic living unit of an organism is an organ. It is false. Amoeba has irregular shape. It is true. Question number 2. Here is, make a sketch of the human nerve cell. What function do nerve cell perform? The nerve cell received and transfer message, thereby helping to control and coordinate the working of different parts of the body. Nucleus, cell body, dendrite, axon, nerving ending. It is the sketch of a human nerve cell. You have created on your notebook. Next question. Write short note on the following. Cytoplasm, nucleus of cells. Cytoplasm, the jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the cell's membrane, is called cytoplasm. Various cell organelles like ribosome, mitochondria are suspended inside cytoplasm. It helps exchange and storage substance among cell organisms. Most of the metabolic activities occurs inside cytoplasm. Here the diagram sketches cells membranes like this, and the in B questions, vacuoles, nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleus of a cell, the central dense round body in the center is called the nucleus. It is an important component of the living cell. It is generally spacious and located in the center of the cell. It can be stained and seen easily with the help of microscope. Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a membrane called the nuclear membrane. This membrane is also porous and allows the movement of materials between the cytoplasm and the inside the nucleus. A small spherical body of the nucleus is called the nucleus. Nucleus also contain thread-like structures called chromosomes. These carry genes and help in inheritance or transfer the characters from the parents of the offspring. Next question 4. Which part of the cell contain organ cells? Cytoplasm, gelatinous fluid inside a cells. Various organ cells like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosome, etc. Question number 5. Make sketches of animal and plant cell State three differences between them. Parts: cell wall, present, absent. Animal cells is absent the cell wall. Plant cell wall is present. Centrosomes, plant cell absent, present and help in the cells of division in animal plants. Plastids, present in plant cell, absent in animal cells. Vacuoles, large vacuoles in the plant cells and small vacuoles are absent in animal cells. It is the difference between the plant cell and animal cells. You can draw these pictures. Question number 6. Some state the difference between eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Prokaryotes, the cell having nucleus material without nuclear membranes are termed as prokaryotic cells. The organisms with these kinds of cells are called prokaryotes. Examples: bacteria and blue-green algae. Eukaryotes, the cells having a well-organized nucleus with the nuclear membranes are termed as eukaryotic cells. The organisms with these kinds of cells are called eukaryotes. Examples: onions cells and cheek cells. Question number 7. Where are chromosomes found in a cell? State their functions. Chromosomes are found in the nucleus of the cells. These carry genin and help in inheritance or transfer or characters from a parent to the offspring. Question number 8. Cells are the basic structures unit of living organism. Explain. Both bricks of a building and cells in the living organism are basic structures unit. All basic functions for the organism survival take place inside cells. As bricks assemble to make a building, cells assemble to make the body of every organism. A group of cells from a tissues which perform a specific functions. A group of tissues forms an organ, and in the same way a group of organisms form an organism. That is why cells are considered as the basic structural unit of living organism. Explain why chloroplasts are found only in plant cells. Chloroplasts are found in the plant cells only because chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, which is essential for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll traps cells energy and use it to prepare food for plants. Okay, thank you.